आज सकाळी म्हाका अरावंड 8 AM आमचे पॅरिश प्रिस्टाचो फोन येयलो. पॅरिश प्रिस्ट आनी फादर पिटर एसिस्टंट पॅरिश प्रिस्ट हांचो फोन येयलो आनी म्हाका सांगलें हिंगा रॉबरी जाल्या मातशें वचून पळय. सो आय केम हियर आनी मागीर इमिजिएटली आय कॉल्ड द पुलीस आनी थोड्या वक्तान एक 15-20 मिनटांनी PSI निखील येयलो. सो अप्रॉक्सिमेटली हांवें विचारलें फादराक पयशे कितले आसता तितून. फादर अकॉर्डिंग टू फादर अरावंड 20-25,000 आसतले म्हणटा तो. आनीक इन्सिडंट घडये राती आफ्टर मिडनायट जाला आसतले आनीक पुलीस येयले. हिंगा लागीं CCTV कांय ना आमचे. सो वॉट एवर इन्वेस्टिगेशन दे कूड डू दे हॅव टेकन द डिटेल्स. आनी हिंगासर कोण लेबर काम करता हें विचारलें म्हाका. सो आय हॅव ऑलरेडी गिवन द पुलीस द इन्फॉर्मेशन. हिंगासर कोण कसलें काम चलता कितें चलता हें इन्फॉर्मेशन हांवें दिला. सो आय होप द कल्प्रिट्स आर कॉट.
Only a donation box was robbed.
Yeah, the donation box was removed from the this structure, and I feel that a breaker was used. It is not done with a hammer or anything chisel, because the electric board is outside. So I think it is a job of 5 to 10 minutes, and with the marks you can make out that a breaker has been used and it has been removed.
बिझी रोड हा हायवे न्हू तो कितलेच वर जाला आसतले.
आफ्टर मिडनायट जाला आसतले. वॉट हॅपन्स हिंगा लोक वचोन रातचे केन्ना एनी टायम दे सीट एंड प्रे हियर. कोण पास जाले कोण मनीस जाल्ले पासून डावट वचपाना, कित्याक एनी टायम ऑफ द डे नायट पीपल स्टॉप. लोक आमचे टॅक्सीकार भाव आहाय ते जायते फावटी थांबता हिंगा हजर करता एनी टायम ऑफ द डे ऑर नायट. सो नोबडी गोज टू डावट एनीबडी. सो हेजे तेणी फायदो घेयला आनी म्हाका दिसता तेणी चोरी केली.
It's a shame that these things have started happening and religious places are being attacked. This is not the first place where things have happened. Whether it is the chapels, whether it is the crosses, or whether it is the temples are being robbed. That means where is the law and situation? Is there any law and order in place? If it is in place, there is nakabandi going on in these days, and still this thing has happened. So how are they going to track these people? Now today this cross, which has been adored by whether Hindus, Catholics or Muslims, they come here, they pray, they do their litany, everything, and when it is adored by people from all communities, this thing has happened at this particular cross of Saint Anani's at Chikali. Now the police complained as the 5 member this one Roman has said that he has already informed the police. Police have come and done the Panchanama. I think police should go a step further by looking at the CCTVs that are available on this full stretch, and those who have travelled. According to me, this should have happened after 12 and before 3, because then the airport vehicles also move in. So those people who have moved in during that time, it is not a handiwork of one person, it has to be 2 people. So therefore, a vehicle has been used in this particular case to do this particular act. And you can easily catch the culprits. I hope the police takes the necessary action. And the Chief Minister, who is the Home Minister, looks into this, that this thing should not occur, and that the temples, churches, chapels and crosses are protected.